Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. And it's not that music. It's not the music. Wait, give me a second. Okay. Can you guess what's amazing? Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Guess? Guess it? Guess it? There's no more buzzing sound. Woo! 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 I am so happy about this. Oh my goodness, there's a TNT. I am so happy about this. Hello. Hello. So yeah, there's no more sound. I hope. And to celebrate it, I thought we'd play one of these. And I have no idea which one to play. You know what? Should we play? To celebrate, we're gonna play Capture the Flag. Shall we? No, not game amplifiers. Let's collect daily reward. Oh, there's nobody here. I want to be an assassin. Yay, I'm an assassin. I'm an assassin. Gold, iron weapons, steal 6. Diamond weapons, steal 7 damage. That's kind of obvious. Haha, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. I have your skill / item tokens. Hey, there's a fish. There's a fish. Yeah. Oh. Give me a second. Guess what? Nobody ever joined, so we are playing Wizards. Because it's the first game I saw. Ooh. No. Let's play Wizards. 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 Hey, look at your nose. Look at your little nose. Oh my goodness. I'm on ice. Wait, how is that possible? Oh. Seems like I'm on ice. That's weird. Something's happening. Hello? Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Wait, no it isn't. Wait, what? What? This is so weird. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. And is it frozen again? No, he just moved. Seriously, it's frozen again? Come on. We're not playing Mineplex. We are gonna be playing. We are gonna be playing CubeCraft, and I have a lot of servers, but most of them don't work. Okay, this one works. Yeah, it works. Okay. So where should we go? For new maps, new emerald generator, new abilities, new feather feet kit, and more. Parkour is still in maintenance. Let's go to the arcade. Let's go to the arcade. Shall we? Do I have a cubelet? No, I don't. And there's this game that I really, really like, and it's called Hourglass. So let's just join the game. Join this game, because that's 3 people. Then, wait, I have 43, 42, 1 XP. My XP is going down. No, wait, that's the time. I've got so bad at parkour. I used to be like a pro at it, I think. And once I was like that close, and then I went to jump, and I just missed it. I was so close, believe it or not. Oh no, 5, 4, 3, no! Need to get up here. Ah, no, run, run, run. Here's when it comes. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go! Keep on going. Oh no. Oh no. Why are there potions? There's just potions. Wherever you look. Potions. More potions. Help me! Help me! Oh, there we go. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. No, run! Oh my goodness, fire? Why is there fire? Oh my goodness, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Fire rains from the sky. Oh my goodness. Chest plate. Oh no. Nope, he has it. It's fine with me if he gets it. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I survived for an hour. How is that possible? Oh my goodness. I've landed straight in the fire. Like fire landed straight on me. Oh no. Run, run, run. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Anvil, don't land on me. Oh my goodness. There's anvils raining from the sky. Oh my goodness. There is anvils. There's anvils raining from the sky. Ah! Oh my goodness, there's fire, anvils, and sand raining from the sky. Oh no! Stuck. I'm stuck. No. No, come on. Oh my goodness, there's TNT. There's TNT. Oh my goodness, am I gonna win? Oh my goodness. Oh no, run, run, run. No, I'm suffocating. Ah! Oh my goodness. Help me. Oh no. Ah! Help me. No, another one. Oh my goodness, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. I don't care what that chest is. Oh, it's right there. I do care. I have so many chest plates. Oh, finally boots. Okay, good, good, good. I got boots. I got boots. That boots has boots. This makes sense. Help me, help me, help me, help me. Oh my goodness. It's lagging like crazy. It's lagging like crazy. Oh no. No, no, okay. Okay, I got out. I got out. Nah, come on. It's lagging like crazy. Oh my goodness. What is happening? Oh my goodness, I'm getting on fire. Oh my goodness, help me. My game is lagging like oh my goodness, there's a wither? There's a wither? Where's the wither? Am I gonna win? Okay, still going. Still going. Oh my goodness, where's the wither? Where's that oh my goodness, it's right there. It's right above me. Oh my goodness, help me. Ah, it's lagging like crazy. Oh my goodness, no, help me, help me. Oh my goodness, the wither's right there. Help. Okay. I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna lose. Oh my god. Just keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. I've survived for over 5 minutes. How is that possible? No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died. Come on. I died. Well, thank you for watching. Oh my goodness. This video has been very short and I'm just trying to tell you, it works. Why is it so loud? And thank you for watching. Leave a like if you didn't already. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done. And I'll see you in the next video. Be quiet!